buddy's place today, and I'm going to attempt to fix a NASCAR pinball today. It has a coil that's locking on for the shooter, and also the coil that drives the center car up and down is not working. So I think solder in a new coil for the pop up there, and then it's probably one of these transistors or something on the board that we'll do some board repair. So hopefully we'll get it fixed today. Thanks for watching. All right, so I'm gonna take this coil out. And I like taking pictures of everything, so you can see I just pulled these screws out. Alright, and that is coil removed. Another Milwaukee tool, one of our favorite buddies. Kick the bad boy on, it'll go green when it's ready, but it takes about, I don't know, 15 seconds or so for it to be up to soldering temperature. So, got some solder, got this new coil, that is the replacement for it. Soldering iron smells up to temperature. Cut this bad boy out of there. Try to avoid personal injury. Okay, so I usually set where it goes and kind of try to mimic, and then I'll just take one solder wire off, put it on, solder the other one, solder it on. So that's kind of how we do it. I don't know. So this, you need to figure out which wires. Cut that. It is brown. I guess I could look it up and see that. Yeah, let me do that. We're thinking it's definitely board repair related, right?
That's what you said last time you were here.
All right, so this coil is locking on. I have cut. Basically, it's still got the main power wire hooked up to it, but I have cut the brown wire, and we're gonna attempt board repair in order to maybe one of those transistors down in there that you can't see. We'll figure out which one is locked on, and hopefully that fixes it. We'll see. Well, this has got some charring there. That's
no bueno.
Yeah, I've not seen, and that looks really like it got really hot. Let's test some continuity here. Still good there, and still good there. So that, but that melted. You see how it's,
yeah.
There's no sleeve covering like this one that isn't.
Yeah.
That green has continuity, but that's all melted off. So that's bare wire there.
Okay.
But it is working, so that's a that's
I just
plus.
have to make sure that thing doesn't touch metal.
Don't push that against the back grounding plate. That would be bad.
You're talking about 11.
Were you playing the game late last night?
We were playing everything a little bit. We only played that a couple of times.
What's your favorite game that you have?
I don't know if I have a favorite, to be honest. I mean, I'm really digging Medieval Madness, the Royal Edition.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. You've seen that, right? Like where it changes all the LEDs and stuff and the topper and all that mess?
I think I looked over that whole game, but I have not played it, and I don't think I've even seen anyone play it.
Oh,
I think
it's good.
Well, I'll check it out today too.
And then
what is that thing that Chris is using there? The digital
soldering station?
Yeah, I just see the numbers moving.
Oh yeah, it's
That's the temperature of the iron. Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. You gotta have a lot of patience to do that.
It's not bad. I just didn't have the right parts. Plus, like, I don't really feel like.
Well, you made it into zombie camp. That's it.
That's it. That's right.
If you can solder, you're in.
Yeah.
That's my skill.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not the best at it.
Dude, I told my wife she has to bring a skill.
That's what it is. I can shoot things and cut them up and cook them.
You're in, brother.
That's what it is.
And
Everybody
she
needs
goes-
him.
Yeah.
Okay, this was not a trace I did, but it already had a trace on there
Oh,
too.
okay.
So
Yeah.
I think this board has been through the ringer.
Oh, they
Wasn't
probably
this the
has.
game that you said you got in your
Cabin.
place in Nashville or
Yeah, yeah.
cabin? Yeah.
Yeah, those guys are yahoos that work on this shit though.
Yeah.
So who knows?
I think that we're probably.
Yeah, dude.
I think she's good.
Push it. No. Hold on. Somebody hit the button. Unlock it.
All right, Q2 is done.
What?
New Jurassic Park.
I know, it's super fun, right? It's way fun. It's way more fun than
The looks of it, I just thought, yeah, that's not good. And then I played it, I was like, oh, that's pretty good.
Supposedly it's a really good shooter game. So,
To look at it though, it looks like an older game to
yeah.
me.
Yeah.
I'll make it out of here.
Oh, that thing.
The wire is still off for this coil, so.
Yes, we still got to do.
All right, let's
Just
see.
let you guys touch them.
While we got it, let's test and see if the auto launcher actually works.
Yep.
And then it might be a transistor that's not simming it. But we
Yeah.
can test power on it. Well, let's test voltage, and then we'll hook this up and see if it fires.
Yeah.
If
Then
it-
we'll mess with this, and then yeah.
Let's
Yeah,
see if it's got
okay.
power.
Well, let's fix this auto launch thing, and then we can test that, right?
Okay. Yeah. We can do that.
I mean, if you want
Let's
to
do
put
it.
it, it's fine. I don't
Let's
care.
do it the simple way.
Well, somewhere in line, I think. Or
Oh.
somewhere. I don't know if it's in line, but it says gray and green wire.
All right, let's turn this on. See if it locks on.
221080.
Ooh, no locky.
No locky.
Ooh.
It works. Nice.
I know. Hey.
Hey, all right.
One thing accomplished today.
Nice.
Look at it. It's gonna kick.
Maybe that's why the raise thing isn't working.
Oh, it just kicked again. So yeah, I'm loving that I fixed that.
That's cool.
But
You want to lift this or no? Or just leave it like this?
I thought we were gonna look
we're
at the
gonna-
transistor
yeah, we're
here.
gonna check
Oh,
changes.
yeah. Let's test power. Let's see if we've got good power. Right here.
This is intense.
Huh?
I don't know how you guys can figure all this shit out.
It's all troubleshooting.
Yeah, it's a lot of.
It's just like a workflow that you guys. I mean, all this is a workflow, but it's just with wires. Like that's all it is.
So we're gonna do volt DC, and that should be on the yellow. Should have. It's got 70 volts, so
Does it?
yeah, 67 on both sides.
Wow.
So
Okay.
that has the same power as this.
Okay.
So it has power. Something is not telling that to kick on, or the coil is wrong.
Manual and see what the number is. Yeah.
Well, the auto launcher is kicked, and that's a big part of this game.
Yep.
That I'm happy that that is working.